Samsung is gearing up to launch its latest generation of flagship smartphones soon. But prior to their official announcement, there have been numerous leaks regarding the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. Samsung already offers so many features with their camera experience, and now it's gonna go to a whole new level. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will also be one of the first phones to have Wi-Fi 7 support. You see right now the Wi-Fi standard that we use is Wi-Fi 6E, and while is amazing, but the Wi-Fi 7 takes things to a whole new level. First, it offers 2.4 times faster speeds than Wi-Fi 6 with the same number of antennas. It also offers the world's lowest latency, which will be great for gaming. Qualcomm also insists the power consumption is less by as much as 50%, which will improve the battery life considerably. The Galaxy S23 series is going to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and there's going to be no Exynos chip for the Galaxy S23. This may be the first time that a 200-megapixel sensor ends up on Samsung's high-end flagship, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This shows that Samsung has confidence in the new sensor's abilities, and we can't wait to see what the final product will be capable of. Yet more Samsung Galaxy S23 details have leaked, and the latest nuggets of information may be good news for potential Galaxy S23 Ultra owners, who don't like Samsung's use of curved display and who like having maximum control over their photography. Ice Universe shows us the newer blockier top-down profile of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and of the existing Galaxy S22 Ultra. He also includes a handy diagram showing how the two phones will apparently compare. As a large phone, Galaxy S23 Ultra benefits from having RAM inside that help users hold it comfortably and access all areas of the display. A more squared-off body could be cause for concern if it makes the phone less ergonomic. We're likely going to see a 5000 mAh battery with at least 45-watt fast charging, wireless and reverse wireless charging, and it's expected that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to start from $1,300. We'll be seeing the Galaxy S23 series sooner than usual, and some sources are advising of a January launch with the phone to be released in February. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.